secured on the deck. Well done, everyone.
Fantastic work.
Bring her down easy, copy.
A little to the left.
Roger that, easy now. Looks good, set her down.
Look at the state of this rust near the smokestack.
Yeah, we'll need the pressure washer for that. The chemical worked, look at that shine.
Yeah, the rust is gone here.
Make sure you hit the underside near the wheels.
Much better. We finally have a good look at the original paintwork.
Yeah. It's coming along nicely.
The faceplate cleaned up well too.
Check the alignment here on the boiler.
Looks good, smooth finish.
Weld joint is solid. The teal coat depth is excellent here.
Agreed. The reflections are stabilizing nicely under the LEDs.
Airflow looks stable at 200 cubic feet per minute.
Surface temperature reading steady.
Humidity levels are dropping nicely.
Look at that shine on the trim. It came out perfectly.
Absolutely splendid work, everyone.
Ready for service.
The finish on this boiler is absolutely perfect.
I've never seen a clearer reflection.
We really outdid ourselves this time. Pressure's rising steady on the main line.
Cracking the bypass now.
Connection's holding tight.
Pressure's rising steady on the main line.
Cracking the bypass now.
Connection's holding tight.
Control, this is Bay 1. The engine is rolling out. All clear on my side.
She looks magnificent.
The restoration is finally complete.
Well done, everyone, to engine